Hi, my name's Maxine Gunning and I'm Head of Department for Hospitality and Catering here at the Manchester College. I've been in industry for many, many years, but have been working at the college for the last 18 years. In the Hospitality and Catering department, we offer courses to suit every student. We start off with level 1 and level 2 at culinary skills, which is a good underpinning starting point for students who want to progress on to level 3. We then run professional cookery level 3. We also run level 2 and level 3 patisserie, confectionery and bakery. We also run a range of full cost recovery courses, which start with basic cake decorating, and you can progress on to intermediate cake decorating. We also run cakes, bakes and treats, vegan bakery and gluten-free bakery. I would highly recommend that you come to our college to study hospitality and catering for a number of reasons. The first one being the excellent skills and knowledge of the lecturers here. They've all been in industry for many years. They range from working in hotels, ski resorts. One's also worked for many years for Michelle Roux. They've owned their own business. Some have worked in contract catering, but alongside that, it's all about getting you ready for a career that you very much enjoy. And we are the only academy in Manchester that runs the Chefs Forum. What the Chefs Forum is we have masterclasses weekly with chefs from industry. So chefs from industry will come in and they'll work alongside you for a 3-hour practical session, showing you how they do dishes in industry. They'll also share their knowledge with you, their experiences from when they left college to where they've got to now. So it's not just about working with lecturers, it's working with real life people. And some of the people in the Chefs Forum are celebrities. Patron for the Chefs Forum is Simon Wood, very well known chef in Manchester. Also, Lisa Goodwin Allen is a patron for the Chefs Academy. One of the master classes we've had recently is from the only Michelin star hotel in Manchester, which is Marna. We've had the chef working with our students in December, teaching them the skills and cooking dishes to such a high level. We also fully understand that students might necessarily not want to go into restaurant cooking. They might want to go into working in hotels, working in cafes, or setting up their own business, bistros. We also do small courses which will support students to run their own business. Each of the departments has a running kitchen, so it's a fully equipped kitchen that you can have access to any equipment in there that's the same, if not better, than a lot of the industry professionals we've worked with. Obviously, the Fielding campus, where we do the patisserie and confectionery, and specialise in all chocolate equipment and anything that you need to specialise there. Our Within Shore campus and Open Shore campus have everything that you need to learn your professional cookery. We are moving to North Manchester Sixth Form Centre in September. So this campus is just currently being developed and it has got the state-of-the-art cookery equipment. So as a student in our area, you will be supported greatly. Firstly, you will be given a named programme manager. This is the chef lecturer who will support and teach you all around anything that's culinary. They're also there to support you with anything that you might need outside of teaching and learning. It may be that you need some pastoral support, some financial support, or indeed just some help with your progress with your academics. So they're the first port of call for you. You will be also allocated an achievement tutor. You will see your achievement tutor weekly. They will support you in any way, shape or form of any needs that you have. The college also has a department that works with students that may have high needs and additional support, and one-to-ones and support lessons are set up for all students that need it. So as we're all well aware, the hospitality and catering industry has taken a real battering during the COVID pandemic. But what we have to remember and think about here is when we recover, we're going to need a whole bank of new chefs, new, young, vibrant chefs who fresh from college, who are out there and eager to learn. I know from working with all the industry chefs that I work with, and there's a lot in Manchester, they're hungry to pick up. You can see how they've adapted, how they've been running. They've done meals from home, they'll do packages, they do deliveries. So they're going to now want a brand new bank of new students to join their teams to get our industry back up and running. And you're the guys that are going to do that. So when you come and enrol with us in 2021, expect the best experience that you can imagine. You're going to be working alongside lecturers who've got vast experience in industry and indeed in teaching and learning. You've got somebody to go to who knows every area of catering and food and beverage service. But I think most of all, look forward to working in real kitchens with the best equipment and also with proper industry chefs and some celebrities. It's going to be the best time of your life, something you'll never forget, something I never experienced or my lecturers ever experienced, working in industry like we do currently. And the Manchester College is the only college that works in the Chefs Forum. So I'd just like to say thank you all for watching. I hope it helps and it's given you a brief overview of our department. Don't forget to take a look at some of our other videos, and I think that would be valuable for you because you could get the look and feel for the tutors, because they're a great bunch of lecturers, and you'll also learn more about the department, and you'll get a chance to see some of the events that we've hosted and that we take part in. If you've not yet applied for September, you can do so quite easily just by visiting the tmc.ac.uk website. Thanks again, and we can't wait to meet and see you in September 21.